everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, I hope you enjoy my lovely family. It would mean the world to me. And if you don't want to miss a video of mine, then you can always press the bell button. I will notify you every single time I post a video. Today's video is going to be about 2 Christmas gifts that you can buy from iHeartRevolution. It's this one, the iHeartRevolution and Chill. And then the iHeartRevolution Chocolate Revolution Milk Chocolate Bar. If you hear the thunder, that is thunder, basically. So yeah, it's a very gloomy day today, but I just decided, you know, why not? What better day to film my video? So yeah, so if you want to see what is inside the Revolution and Chill and the milk chocolate bar, then keep on watching. And if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more, especially if you love Makeup Revolution. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Okay, so I'm going to start by actually showing you guys the Revolution Chill fridge thing, which is really cute. I'm not going to get rid of the packaging, basically, because it's too freaking cute. So I'm just going to open this up. So it comes in a box like this. It's actually really pretty. And then basically you actually open it like that. One second. Like that. Isn't it cute? It's like so freaking cute. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you what is inside each of the boxes. So we start with the frozen raspberry. So these are all iHeartRevolution products, basically. And this is like sort of their part of the gift sets. Usually they do the massive chocolate bars, but this year they did something different. And even we had like 2 years where they did like a chocolate heart as well. But this year they introduced the fridge and then the milk chocolate bar. Okay, so this is the frozen raspberry. And then that is from the inside. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to swatch for you 4 shades that I like, because that's what I like doing. So I'm going to swatch Berry Ice. Shortcake is pretty, gin is pretty, and popsicle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ooh, they feel lovely. Okay, one sec. They actually feel, these matte shades actually feel really nice. Now with the iHeartRevolution, they're not always the best quality, I find. But then you have some which are actually good. The next one is called Iced Latte, and I love how they all come with the boxes. They're so cute, and it's like, you know, you're opening a present each time. You remember that game which was like pass the parcel, and then like every time the box gets smaller? Who remembers that game? I used to love it at parties. Okay, so this is Iced Latte. I love the packaging of it. It's always so cute. Okay, and this is the palette. This is very grungy, wintry. I'm going to swatch some shades. I'm going to swatch this one, which is called Crema. This one, which is called Dark Roast. And then actually the one on top of it is calling my name. It's called Cafe. And the last one I'll swatch is this one, which is called Grounds, like coffee grounds, I guess. Let's see them in action. Well, on swatches, basically. Oh. They are swatching really, oh my goodness, look at that. I'm actually impressed because I swear sometimes it's a hit and miss. So this looks quite good actually, and I actually am so looking forward to trying these out. Okay, so the next one is actually called Peppermint. Okay, so these are the smaller palettes because they also have some smaller palettes. And this is the Peppermint, and you just get a small palette looking like this. I think having palettes like these are perfect if you want to just leave them, you know, for work or for traveling, you know, when we eventually can travel again. But yeah, I'm not going to stay swatching them because simply they don't even have names, which is sad. But they do have like numbers at the back. But this is the Peppermint. Oh, and also they come with like a scent to them. Like sort of like the Too Faced ones do. And we also have Chocolate Ice, which I presume is a small palette as well. Yes. Okay. So this one is Chocolate Ice, and it actually is, yes, it's a bronzer. Now I really don't like shimmery bronzers, but I like matte ones. So I don't know if you want to see them. Ooh, actually they're really pretty. But I don't really like applying shimmer bronzers on my skin. Okay, so the next one is Defrosted Highlight. So what is this? Oh yeah, okay. So the Defrosted Highlight, oh no. Didn't crack it. Nope, didn't crack it. Okay, so this is the Defrosted Highlight, and look how cute the packaging is. My god, it's raining really badly. Can you hear the rain? You probably can. So this is Defrosted Highlight. Ooh, it feels so nice and creamy. Oh my god, that is a beautiful, beautiful highlight. That is stunning. Absolutely love that. So the next one is one which is called a pocket mirror. I actually love how they all come in boxes like these, even though you just get... Oh dear god. It's like thundering now. Okay. Sorry guys, you have some ambiance in this video as well. And this is the pocket mirror, which I think is perfect for work and, you know, for your bag basically. So yes. And then I like how this year, like the iHeart Revolution gift sets have more variety rather than just eyeshadow and then lipsticks and that's it. Okay, so now this year actually we also have a blending sponge. This one right here feels really nice. I have this one which is of Revolution, and to be honest this one actually feels nicer, so I am intrigued to try this out because I've never tried out that before. And then we also have a sugar lip scrub, which I don't usually use things like this, but I could start leaving it in my bag of work and then just start applying it. Ooh, look at that packaging. Let me see how it smells. Oh my god, it smells really nice. Oh my god, it smells so freaking nice. Okay, I'm excited to try this out. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. Is it like hailing as well? That is not all. You also get something else. Okay, so this is a fruit smoothie, it's called. This is a lip product. This is a lip gloss. Now, this is not my favorite kind of thing. Because, I mean, the shade... Is there a shade? Hello? Is there even something on it? I think it's like a clear gloss. I don't really like lip glosses, so I don't know about this one. And this is really difficult to close. Like, I'm struggling to close it again. Okay. The packaging, though, is quite pretty. So, yeah, that's not my favorite at all. Okay, so the next one is something which I'm actually really excited. It's strawberry milk. So, it is a setting spray. And actually, I want to try this out because I haven't... Oh god, that was very scary. That was very scary, guys. So this is the strawberry milk setting spray, and I'm gonna actually try it out right now. Am I supposed to be smelling the strawberries? Because I'm not smelling anything. Okay, it's like very, very faint, which is good. So if you guys don't like scented things, I think you'd like this one because it's not as scented. It's like very, 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 very distant. As for the last product, we have probably, yes, another lip product. They probably all are like lip glosses. A clear lip gloss. Oh goodness. Smells minty. Smells very minty, like an after eight chocolate. So yeah, that is it basically. This is the frozen vanilla. Well, it does go with its name, frozen vanilla KEZIA. Like, I don't know why I didn't know this. Okay, so that is the fridge, the iHeart Revolution and Chill gift set. So if you are intrigued, you can add this to your wish list. But it's actually really, really cute. And I actually got these when they had like a really good sale. Okay, so the next one is the milk chocolate bar. It's like a bar, but it's not like the one that we had last year. So you always get these like paper thing, which I need to take off. So this is the box. I'll show you the box. That is the box, and when you open it up, it actually comes like this. So you get a massive palette and a setting spray. This is actually why I wanted to get it, because like the big palette has never been released, I think, if I'm not mistaken, on Revolution. So this is the Chocolate Revolution, the Chocoholic palette. Okay, look, this is the packaging. Isn't it stunning? It's like so pretty. And I show you. So it comes with a massive mirror, and then look at this. Like, isn't it like huge. It's like really, really big. I've never seen such a big Revolution chocolate palette. You have so many different shades. You have like some browns going on. You have a lot of purples, I see. Some pinks as well. So you have quite a bit of everything. Swatch some shades. So you have no names of these. So you just have like numbers. So let me swatch the brown first. Oh dear. That's a beautiful swatch, Kezia. Okay. Oh my goodness. They are swatching. Look at that purple. They swatched beautifully, guys. They swatch so softly and so creamy, like they feel really creamy on my fingertips. So that is the Chocoholic palette, and I will definitely do a tutorial on this palette for sure. The next thing is another setting spray, and this one is chocolate milk. Oh my god, does it like smell of chocolate? Doesn't smell of anything. Like I would think that maybe the fixing spray would smell of chocolate. So if you like non-scented things, you'd like this one. Anyway, so then you take off the boxes, the cardboard box. Underneath, you actually have more palettes. So don't throw that away. So basically it's messed up. Mine came a bit messed up. So it comes like that, and then like this. So let's see what we have. We have another pocket mirror, it seems. We also get some brushes. So we get 3 different brushes. An eyeliner brush. We get a blending brush as well. And we get another, a flat brush. We get these 3 different brushes, and I actually love their packaging. And then we also got 2 lipsticks. So let's see what they are. They're all lip glosses. I hate that they do them all lip glosses. So this one is called Chocolate. There's nothing there. Just a sheer lip gloss with hints of lilac glitters. And then this one is another, oh no wait, these are not the names. Okay, sorry. So this is, this is called Ginger, and then the one before is actually called Berry. Oh, this smells really nice. Okay, this is Ginger. Okay, Ginger is actually really pretty. Ginger looks like a pretty looking gloss, which is something that I would wear. So then we have 5 different palettes. So we have this one, which is called Ginger and Orange. Oh my goodness, I don't know if I would like ginger and orange together. I like orange, but I don't like ginger. Ooh, but this is a palette that I would love. This reminds me a lot of the like gingerbread palettes and stuff like that. So let's swatch 4 shades. I'm going to swatch Pomelo, Ginger Crunch, Tang, and Squash. Ooh, that shimmer looks nice, even that one. And that looks beautiful. And I love these shades. These are really pretty shades. And then we got this one, which is called Berry Meringue. Oh my god, I don't know how cute the names are. Berry Meringue. Okay, so this is Berry Meringue. It's very pink and purpley. So let's watch, what this one's called? Poof. I say puff, but it's puff. Puff. Whipped looks lovely. Ooh, I like this one. Goji Berry. And this one, which is called Berry Swirl. I'm sure like some of these shades are like repeats of their previous palettes, but yeah. So, ooh, that lilac is gorgeous. Okay, that is very not as pigmented. But those are the shades, actually really pretty. Okay, so then we have 3 different small palettes. So this is the Hot Chocolate Contour. Oh yes! I love palettes like these because they don't have any shimmer bronzers, which is my kind of thing. So I'm guessing that like one of them is like contour and then one of them is like a bronzer. So perfect. And then we have this one, which is called Champagne Truffle. Ooh. See, this is a little bit too dark for me, I would say. Like these shades are a little, oh, those are really pretty. I would try and use this one, but this one I think would be a little bit too dark for me. But we can definitely try. And then over here, as I'm seeing this like purple palette, I've never seen like a chocolate palette purple, which is actually really pretty. Oh, this is called the Violet Crush. And you get like these purple shades. Oh my god, so pretty. I'm just going to swatch 2 shades which are actually calling my name. Very similar nonetheless. Oh, that's pretty. That is gorgeous as well. So basically, those are all the palettes that you get in the milk chocolate. I think I honestly prefer the other one because I felt like you had more going on, in my opinion. And the but this one, what I actually like is the Chocoholic palette. And I hope that they actually release it for you guys individually rather than having to buy everything. Because it looks like a really good palette, and I'm really impressed that this is an I Heart Revolution palette. I don't know, we'll see, but I'll definitely be trying some of these palettes out, so definitely subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of stuff that I need to try out, and so make sure to follow me. Maybe like I can do like a series or something. I don't know, I Heart Revolution series. I can do that. So that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. What do you actually prefer, the milk chocolate bar or else the fridge I Heart Revolution and Chill? If you do like them, you know, and you want to add them to your wish list, then do so. And yeah, be sure to, if you don't want to buy it for now, but you really want to, they actually reduce the prices of the gifts as time goes by. So just basically, you know, watch out on Revolution, and I'm sure that one day they will reduce the prices. So that was my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So yeah, I don't know what I was going to say anymore. There's nothing more to say for now. Okay, so yeah, bye guys.